Hi everybody, welcome to the Corbettmaths 100 Days Ago Revision Sessions 2026. There's exactly 43 days to go into your first GCSE Maths exam, so keep up the hard work, you're doing really well. And today, if you're preparing for GCSE Higher Maths, we're going to be going through the answers to yesterday's practice paper. So today we're going to be going through the answers to the practice paper. It's really important that you're confident with how you do each question. So if you've got any wrong, make sure you know how to do each question whenever I go through the answers. And to access that revision session that goes through the answers and gives you some tips and so on, there's a link to that revision session in the top right hand corner. Alternatively, you can click the link in the description below, or if you're on the Corbettmaths website, you can go to GCSE Revision 100 Days Ago and then Higher 2026. Also, if you've got one of the Corbettmaths revision books, the 100 Days Ago revision book, if you turn to page number 62, there you've got the answers. You can scan the QR code, that brings you straight to today's revision session that goes through the answers. But also, every single question there, so for instance, if you got question number 9 wrong, question number 9 was on conditional probability, and it says see 73 days to go. So it'll point you in the right direction in terms of getting a recap for each topic if you need it. And that's it. So that's for students preparing for GCSE Higher Maths. If you're preparing for GCSE Foundation Maths, we're going to be looking at 2 topics today. We're going to be looking at currency, and we'll also be looking at recipes. So dealing with those 2 number topics. To access your revision session, there's a link in the top right hand corner. You click that brings you straight to that revision session. Alternatively, you can click the link in the description below. Or if you've got one of the 100 Days Ago revision books, you can turn to page number 63. And on page number 63, you've got the QR code that you can scan to bring you straight to that revision session. And then you've got the questions as well. And that's it. And also just remember, at the end of each video, there's 2 little icons. You can click the top one to bring you to the higher revision session, and the one below to bring you to the foundation revision session. And that's it. So keep up the hard work. You're doing really well. And I just want to mention that if you know anyone that might find these revision sessions useful, please feel free to share it with them. Also, I just want to mention, with 43 days to go, it's a good time to make sure that you've got all the equipment that you need. So make sure you go through your equipment to make sure you've got that as well. And that's it. So keep up the hard work, and I'll see you later. Cheers. Bye.